So today is the very lovely Emily's birthday. She's, I don't know, I'm talking about that. She's 18 today, yay! I've already, basically, our present was a 2-part present because I wanted to get her something special for her birthday. And my mum and I did a joint thing. And I already gave it to her on last week, for her family birthday stuff. And this is the second part. Ooh, this is Emily. It's okay, because by the time that this goes up, she'd already seen it. So, happy birthday, Emily! Mwah! Love you! And I'm now going to get you from your house so we can go to the pub for dinner, for lunch. Happy birthday! Thank you!
Happy birthday!
Hi!
You gave me the card from me. I built Emily a bear. Sort of.
I've seen it, it's lovely.
It's a bunny.
Do you know what it's called, the bunny?
Yes.
What's it called then?
Danny.
Danny.
I said it wrong because I got confused.
Game of Thrones.
All the price on the back, so whoops.
That's too hot. Hi! It's funny how we always complain when it's raining, but when it's really hot, we're all like, don't want to eat them. What you gonna send? 1 second. Tanya just put sellotape in Sam's hair. Come here. Oh, that didn't work. 1, 2, 3. That's grimy.
I have such good friends, honestly. They're willing to hurt me and then laugh at it and put it on the internet.
079 help Sam.
And then they put it on the internet. This is actually happy slapping. What you're witnessing right here is happy slapping. Happy slapping. Happy slapping.
Happy birthday, Here's Sam's hair.
He's got my hair coat. Your book seems to have some kind of deflecting power.
I told you it's a shield. Copyright. No.
Not tasting the right food.
I hate you if you did that. This is becoming...
No!
This is the new weapon.
I'm getting some.
I have no cold with these.
You got that right. Good.
It's happened again. I just wanted to see if my face expression changed. Ow. People of YouTube, ooh.
I've been transported back in time.
Yeah, we're quite productive here. You know, there's just so much activity. I mean, like, look at these two. Look at how much work they're doing. It's amazing, isn't it? I'm into the dark room. Come with me on a journey through time and space. Dear viewer, I can actually see better with you than I can with my eyes. Interesting. Bye, I'm bored of you now. Fuck off.
Who you with tonight, eh? You. Sammy, happy birthday! Did you know that? It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. That sounds awesome. It's my birthday. Let's do another. Singify. Hi, Tan Tan. Hi, Tan Tan. That's so great. Oh my god. You say dead. Okay, say leaving. Hi, Tan Tan. one video of me trying to sing to this, I don't even know. It's meal time.
Like that. What? Who's that from?
It's my party and I want.
Fart if I want to. Hi, my name's Carl. I'm an alcoholic.
But you're not.
I'm not.
Eh. So hey, I forgot to vlog all the time I was out. To sum up what happened, I had a nice evening with my boyfriend and my parents and my neighbours / friends, and now I am knackered because I got slightly woed by the fact I had a sambuca at the end of the meal, and it was, I kind of took it as a shot, and apparently you don't do that, so I kind of went, so it's kind of taken me out of me, and among everything else today I'm just so tired. But I've had a nice birthday and I'm now 18. So now I'm going to play Draw Something and then go to bed. So I'm going to give this back to Katrina, so I'm sorry I haven't edited. But I will hopefully vlog again at college tomorrow. And yes. Good night. It really zoomed in.
Obviously, don't test it out distractions you guys do, but that's what they shot there.
Lovely.
How's it dressing?
He's just been burned with words. What just happened? He punched my chin! Cameron!
Me too. I went to punch her elbow.
And then he went dench. You didn't mean it.
Poor Tan.
Lethal Bizzle. Look what you've done.
You've ruined our lives.
If you've been affected by any of the issues raised in today's episode,
Plus, I only went like
I say episode as in traumatic incident, people. Okay. There's probably a number you can call someone. Google it. There's bound to be advice. Peace out.
She's getting into She's working.
I'm so inspired. Look at me go.
That was really weird.
She's gonna go in bed. It's my victory dance.
No! You were just in Sam's mouth.
I just put maybe a dozen things in my mouth.
My poor baby. Now you're creeping them out. Oh! You made it smell dirty! It smells like saliva!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I had one of those earlier. I'm sorry.
She's like a dog, like kicking your leg.
It still hurts.
You chow down on that chicken. He's like, shut up. We are in town. I had a fruit salad because I'm healthy. That was my phone. Look! I had the healthy option, Sam had chicken. And Cameron and Emily were in Walkabout, and they're not being healthy. They're having kangaroo steak.
No, he's not having a kangaroo.
It's an Australian.
Because if he was, I'd have that.
But we have to go soon, so it doesn't matter.
Okay. Actually, no, I have nothing to say to you people. You disgust me. Bye.